Jennifer's Tigers, written by Adrian Rich. Aunt Jennifer's Tigers prank across the screen, mean to say, when one would see the masterpiece embroidered by Aunt Jennifer's, it would look like a real masterpiece because the color of the threads chosen for embroidering the tigers were very wisely. She had used yellow base and black striped. Fine. That's why the tigers which she had embroidered were looking as if the real tigers were jumping from one side to another side on the wall. Bright topaz denizens of a world of green. World of green meant to say over here green forest. Meant to say those bright tigers were meant to say the yellow color used in the tigers were a transparent yellow stone used in jewelry, the same color she had preferred to use for embroidering these denizen means dwellers or living beings of the green forest. So she had also mentioned in that masterpiece that those tigers don't fear the men beneath the tree. Okay, few men were standing at the background under the tree. Suppose here is a tiger and here a tree she had embroidered. Few men were standing here. Okay, those tigers were moving here and there without any fear from the men under the tree. They pace in seek chivalric certainty. Pace means right, run fast. Sleek means shining and well groomed. Okay, those tigers were very shiny. Chivalric means honorable and brave. Write these words with you. Chivalric means honorable and brave. So this she had mentioned. So if you will have a question that describe the tigers embroidered by the Aunt Jennifers, you can write these lines in an easy way as I have taught you. Next paragraph. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. The meaning of this stanza, let me explain you. When Aunt Jennifer Tigers was embroidering this masterpiece, if you have seen how to do the embroidery, a person will have to put the needle at the base and then pull from here. Okay, so in the same way, when Aunt Jennifer was pulling that needle, she found even that ivory needle. Ivory needle means a needle which is used for mean to say made of elephant teeth. Ivory needle means made of ivory. Ivory is the teeth of elephant. That need is basically used for embroidering any masterpiece. Okay, so pull means here one thing is written, pull means draw. Let's continue from this stanza again. I am telling you, when Aunt Jennifer was embroidering that masterpiece at that time because of fear. I told you earlier na, that Aunt Jennifer was having a very dominated husband. Okay, she was naturally facing the domination, and whatever work she used to do, her hands used to tremble with fear. Okay, because of the fear of scolding. So that's why she got very weak because she was also less confident. Fine. So even she find ivory needle hard to pull. Let's see next two lines. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. Here, wedding band meant to say in India or in any culture, if any person is doing a wedding or attending a wedding ceremony, suppose in Christians, the bridegroom and bride exchange the rings for getting wedded. In India, rings, bangles, garlands, Mangal Sutra, and many things are used as a symbol of marriage. So here this is written the massive weight of uncle's wedding band. Massive weight of uncle's wedding band here mean to say the bangles or a ring it can be. Okay, so basically if I would tell you one thing, that when anybody wears a wedding band, it is not just a piece of jewelry. It carries a lot of responsibilities with it. Okay, family responsibility can be, household work can be, taking care of the family can be, and many other works. Fine. So that's why, by being afraid, Aunt Jennifer stays fearful. Her hands used to be trembled all the time because that weight of the wedding band, here meant to say, wedding band symbolizes the wedding responsibilities, sits heavy upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Mean to say, Aunt Jennifer was feeling helpless. She was unable to fulfill the responsibilities just because of the domination of her husband. Okay, that's why it is written the uncle's wedding band means responsibility sits heavy upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Let's study the next para. When Aunt is dead, okay, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeal she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she had made will go on pranking, proud and unafraid. Last stanza I'm describing now mean to say Aunt was dead. Suppose when Aunt would be dead, okay, at that time what will happen? She ringed with the ordeal she was mastered by. Mean to say the skill of embroidery. Okay, she was having that skill of embroidery, or that ring or a wedding band was still lying in the hand of the Aunt Jennifer. Okay, but Aunt is no more, but tigers which she had embroidered are still on the wall on a cloth panel. Pranking means jumping here and there, proud and unafraid from the men beneath the tree.